Hey, I don't know about you. I've been walking around a little triggered lately. I don't know. It's all the little things. It's all the little things. And I'm looking around at what's going on around me in the world, and then talking with my students and talking to my friends and working with my clients. And I walked around so angry last week, like just angry, not at the world, just that we've got to do better. We used to do better. We used to do better. We used to be able to protect. We used to work as a community. We used to do things that moved our children forward. And that's not happening now. Not just because I'm listening to what's going on with the victims, and there's with the victims of human trafficking, and knowing what I know, that trafficking is still happening. That you do not have to leave your city to be trafficked. And the numbers are scary, especially for North Carolina because of where we are. But also, like, not supporting our kids and our students when they do maybe the wrong thing, but for the right reason. When they take an action based on their values and their beliefs, and then they get berated from people that are supposed to guide them and making them feel wrong for doing the right thing. See, I'm getting angry right now. I didn't mean to. Now, this is what I know. I know that we can do something, and I know what I can do. And that's what I want. That's why I'm making this video right now, because as a result of the things that I've been seeing and hearing and what's going on, I decided we're not going to wait. I know that we can empower. I know that we can create a space to build confidence. I know that I can help. I can help give them the words to do better and to stand up for themselves. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm turning that anger into action, because we can't stay angry. It's not good. And we're doing the self-defense class, and it's going to be Monday and Tuesday next week, the 2 days before everyone gets ready for the Thanksgiving holiday. And it's for moms, it's for daughters, it's for boys, it's for girls, it's for anyone who wants to feel prepared, who wants to feel empowered, who wants to know that they can stand up for themselves. And when I say that, I don't mean necessarily that it doesn't start with the physical, right? We're going to talk about how to trust your gut, what to say when somebody crosses a line, what to do to set those boundaries, and just some simple self-defense that can help you get away and get help if you find yourself in that situation. Because the other thing that all of this brought up for me was, as I looked back, there were moments, and I know that I'm not alone here. I know that I'm not alone in having moments where I had to do these things, or they could have gone a completely different way. I wasn't much older. I don't even know how old I was as a freshman in high school. And then I was fresh out of high school in the Army, right? And then I had some things happen to me as an adult that if I didn't have those things, and if I didn't know how to do those things, I could have been in a completely different situation, but I wasn't. And I want to do that for other people. So I want you to register at the link. It's going to ask a few questions, because I am completely creating this workshop for the people that show up, directly addressing your challenges, your struggles, and what you want to learn, because we need to start now. It's the beginning of some things that I'm working on. I'm not just doing the one thing. I'm creating a whole series, because I can only impact so many people, and I need to teach as many moms and women that I can how to be that, so we can have that ripple effect and we can truly start changing the course of what's going on. So that's what this is about. Click the link, register. I can only take about 15 people per day in the class. So if you really want to go, block it off. It's completely free, and we're going to start now. We're not going to wait. So I'll see you there. Grab your spot. Let's raise some fearless voices, some fearless leaders, and let's begin it now.